Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix website blocked by Windows Firewall. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first step is to check Windows Firewall rules. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type wf.msc and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, it automatically redirect to the firewall advanced security. Over there you need to click outboard rules. Please scroll down. You may see the Microsoft Edge game bar. So enter into the general, and over here you may see block the connection and then click apply and then click OK and then close it. So the second step is to allow your browser through firewall. So for that you need to press Windows R again and then type control firewall.cpl. So over here you need to click allow an app and then change settings and scroll down. Please choose the browser Microsoft Edge. Please check whether both private and public are enabled or not. If not, please enable it. So the third step is to reset Windows Firewall. So for that you need to type Windows Security and then enter into the firewall and network protection. Over there please click allow and restore firewall default and then hit restore to restore the settings. So the fourth step is to reset network settings. For that you need to enter into the command prompt once again and copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So once you're done with the prompt, please type exit to exit from the CMD. So the fifth, restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video, and once you restarted your PC, the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. Tech Tube. Bye bye.